How to start an online coaching business in 30 days. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can start your online coaching business in the next 30 days. I've been running online coaching businesses since 2016. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you the things that have worked for me and how you can do the same. So the first 7 days, what are you going to do for the first 7 days? You need to think about two things, your niche and your offer. First, your niche. You want to be specific about the niche that you're going to coach. You don't want to be coaching everybody in your niche. Let's say, for example, you're in the weight loss niche. You don't want to just talk about weight loss for everybody, or you don't want to coach everybody on weight loss. You want to be specific. For example, you can coach, I don't know, women that are over 40 years old to lose stubborn belly fat. That is really more specific. You want to, so you have your whole market, right? You have weight loss and then you have a specific niche. You want to go after a specific niche within your market, because if you talk to everybody, you will not attract anybody in particular, and you want to make sure that the people that you're trying to attract resonate with your message. So who is it that you want to coach? How old are they? What problems are they facing? What sorts of challenge they're having regarding solving the problem that they're looking to solve? You need to write down all of these specific things and be specific about your avatar. The avatar is just a persona that you're going to create that looks like your ideal customer. Then you need to define your offer. Your offer is going to include a few different things. What is the price? Is it a group coaching? Is it a one-on-one coaching? How is the delivery of the coaching? Is it going through live calls? Is it going to be through pre-recorded video? Is it going to be through phone calls, WhatsApp calls, Zoom calls? I don't know. You need to be specific and know exactly what is going to be the delivery and how long is going to be your program. Is it going to be a 1-month program, a 6-month program? Is there going to be any follow-up after the program? Those are the things that you need to write down and decide before starting your online coaching business. And so I recommend taking a week to be to think about this and be really specific and write as much as you can. You can just take a Google Doc and ask yourself those questions that I just mentioned and try to be as specific as you can, because this will be the foundation of your online coaching business. Now you need to decide what subject and what social media you're going to use to promote your online coaching business. And based on the data that we've gathered previously about your ideal customer, you will know where are those people hanging. For example, if you want to talk to teenagers, most probably those people will be on TikTok. If you want to talk to middle-aged women, they will be most probably in Facebook, on Facebook groups. If you want to talk about somebody else, maybe they will be more probably on YouTube, right? And so based on the things that you've elaborated previously, you want to decide, okay, what social media channel I'm going to use to promote my online coaching offer. And once you decide that, that is going to be the next step. I would say the day 7 to the day 30 is going to promote your online coaching. And what I would recommend, if you are starting out, I wouldn't try to sell directly your coaching on social media, but I would offer a free consultation. So this free consultation will be a free call that people can get with you. And in this call, what you're going to do is basically ask them a few things. It will start by you asking them what is their current situation, what are their desired situation, and then if you think that you can help them, you will make them an offer on the phone, telling them that you have a coaching program that can bring them from their current situation to their desired situation, and that's your offer, right? And this way you will be able to sell your coaching. On the phone, you will have a way better conversion rate. So what I want you to do when you have done the first 7 days of defining your niche, your avatar, your offer, your price, and deciding where you want to promote your coaching business, the day 7 to the day 30 is you're going to promote your book a free call with me, quote unquote, type of thing. And then to do that, you're going to send 10 to 20 messages each day to people in your niche. So you can go on Facebook groups, you can go on TikTok pages, you can find in the comments of YouTube video, whatever. You just think and try to reverse engineer, like where are the people that I'm trying to target, and or I can reach out to them and just sending a message. Don't be spammy, don't be trying to sell stuff, just be like, hey, I've noticed that you're interested in this subject. I myself in this subject, would you be interested in having a call with me, a strategy call where I can potentially help you reach your goals, something like that for free, right? If you do that consistently, send 10 to 12 to 20 messages per day, you will get people that hop on a call with you and you will make some sales. Also, I would recommend, on the side of doing that, you should post daily content, whether it's on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, Instagram, I don't care the platform, just post daily content, because this will pay off in the long run. You might not get any customers from that in the first week or two, but after a few weeks, after a few months, you will get a lot of people coming and try to book a call with you from that. So you should get your first client in the first 30 days if you are doing that. If you post every day on social media, plus you send 10 to 20 messages per day on Facebook, on Twitter, wherever, maybe on Instagram as well, right? If you do that, you will get people that book a free call with you, and you will be able to sell your coaching offer and start your online business in the first 30 days. Now, after the first 30 days, you want to keep doing the same thing and keep that and get more customers. And once you get 5 to 10 customers, then you can run some Facebook ads to scale faster. But first, focus on this, because if you don't have a proof of concept, well, it's not wise to run ads on something that you are not sure if it's going to work. Don't give up before you get the result. The problem with most people is that they're excited about starting a new business. They make a big plan about their niche, their offer. I'm going to sell this product and scale it to this amount of money. But then you need to take action, right? It sounds like simple when I say it like this in this video. It sounds like quite easy, but you have to know that the results will not appear easily. You will have to put the work in. So be aware of that and don't give up too quickly before the results appear. I would challenge you to do a 90-day challenge where you do that. So you start the first 7 days by defining your offer and your niche, and then the day 7 to the day 90, you post daily on any social media of your choice, plus you send 10 to 20 messages to people in your niche daily. If you do that, I can almost guarantee you that you will get customers and that you will be able to make a good income from your coaching business and that you will be successful. Now, if you want to start an online business and you want to make money online to become financially free, live the life you love, and just to be free potentially to travel the world or spend more time with your family, I created a free video training showing you exactly how to do that step by step. It's totally free. You just have to click the link, that's in the description. Just enter your email address and you will be able to access that free video. So click the link below this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.